Hello everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about a game called Banana. Now, if you haven't heard of Banana, don't worry, it's completely normal. After all, it's not every day you come across a game that happens to be the 5th most played on Steam at this very moment. Yes, you heard that right, almost 400,000 people are currently playing Banana. But why haven't you heard of it before? After all, it was released back in April, with only 16 people playing it at first. It's amazing how far it has come. So what exactly is this game, and why are hundreds of thousands of people hooked on it? Simply put, Banana is a free-to-play game where you click the banana to gain even more bananas. It really is as straightforward as that. Yet, despite this simplicity, the game has achieved an impressive 82% positive review score on Steam. That's incredibly high. So high, in fact, that it's even a better rating than Grand Theft Auto V. So, what makes this game about clicking a banana so captivating that it has won over the hearts and minds of 150,000 players? Could it be a hidden gem? Is there something suspicious going on? Or is there something else entirely? Well, let's find it out. The game Banana is incredible. It features a single achievement called Click, which most of players have earned. Now to play this game, launch Steam. Head to the search bar and search for Banana. Once you find it, open it up. And here, click Play Game. And to get this achievement, all you need to do is click on the banana. And just like that, you've got yourself a banana and unlocked the achievement. This game, Banana, also has a few extra features. For example, I can press this button here labeled Shop, which opens up a store. In this shop, I can buy various banana-themed items. It's incredible. The money spent here goes directly to the developer of the game. So if you guys also wanted to waste your time, then feel free to play this game. And that's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.